In this video, I will show you how to install the TikTok app on your iPhone. Before diving into the installation process, it's crucial to ensure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. You have two options here: either connect via Wi-Fi or use your mobile data. Make sure your connection is stable for a smooth download experience. Once you're connected, locate and tap on the App Store icon found on your home screen. This icon resembles a blue square featuring a white letter A. Now that you're in the App Store, direct your attention towards the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll find a search button. Go ahead and tap it. Next, at the top of your screen, there's a search bar. Type TikTok into this bar and hit search. From this list of results, look for TikTok. Tap on it to navigate to its dedicated app page. On this app page, you'll notice a button that says Get. Go ahead and tap this button. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Double-clicking the side button will initiate downloading TikTok onto your iPhone. Depending on your internet speed, this might take just a few moments. Once downloaded, TikTok will automatically install itself onto your device. There are no additional steps required here. Just sit back and let it do its thing. After installation is complete, finding TikTok among all other apps on your home screen is easy. And there you have it. You can now create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow any prompts necessary to set up or access your profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.